Shut up, boy. All right. Back to building my PC, part 3, maybe? I don't know. All right. I'm gonna install the I'm gonna install whatever this is. This is what I chose. It's the SPG SX 6000 Pro. It's 1 terabyte. So, and whatever this means, put that on right there. I actually don't know how to install this. So this little thing is supposed to go in here.
It's supposed to go up your ass, bitch.
Where is this? Here it is, my little screw. Gonna unscrew this right here. Supposed to unscrew that.
Hey, it's
We're watching and actually, am I gonna get copyrighted? I might get copyrighted because we're watching Invincible. It's okay.
I'm just messing with you.
Alright. We're fucking easy there, bud. Fuck.
You're the one who didn't do it all the way.
No. I'm with this dipshit and this dipshit over here. Fucking exposing you. Alright, fuck. What did I? Oh, here it is. Alright, so this.
Is this thing supposed to be working?
Here's the thing. There's something supposed to be. Oh, it's one of these. Okay. Okay, what does this fall?
Do we even know what the hell we're doing?
Okay. I need to move this, which hopefully I can move my. Which I can't. Fuck.
You got fat fucking sausage fingers, dude.
No, I don't think you can move it. No, I don't think you can control it. God damn it. Okay, so. Fuck. What did you just say?
Trying to get him copyrighted?
Can you like not be gay for a minute?
What did you do?
I think I found the standoff. And I think it was this one over
Pretty sure
here.
it's a bad thing if you just put it in there like that.
I think it is this one. Hey, success. Okay, now. Okay. Yeah, that's where she cheats on him. Because he's what you call a hoe. Yep, that. That aligns right. Can you hold this? Aim it right there. For TikTok. We're about to run out of time. You do this right now.
Rex said you're dating Invincible now. Said that you guys talked about it. What?
Oh, don't give me that. It's true. What did you expect, huh?
All right, SDD is on.